In the tranquil realm of Lumina, joy reigned. Hearts danced with the colors of 1,000 flowers, and laughter floated like butterflies. Suddenly, darkness loomed. The cheerful sky twisted into a tempest, whispering of mischief and sorrow. The rainbow crown sparkled, a symbol of hope, but envy, draped in shadows, sought to claim it. With the crown stolen, despair gripped the land. Colors bled into gloom, and silence swallowed the music of the kingdom. Unfazed, a courageous spirit stepped forward. Heart aflame, she embarked on a journey to mend the unraveling threads of her world. In a darkened glen, a furry friend awaited rescue. With compassion, she unbound the frightened creature from its plight. A bridge stood before her, guarded by a cantankerous giant. Yet, a humble offering of kindness beckoned hidden grumbles into silence. At last she arrived. Shadows whispered secrets, and there, Vexa clutched her prize, ambition twisting in her heart. Unarmed with anger, she bore a gift of kindness. Her open arms sparked glimmers of understanding in the dark. A twist of fate unraveled jealousy. Compassion sowed seeds where envy once grew, leaving the noblewoman breathless. With a gentle gesture, light returned. Colors danced again, and laughter echoed through the valleys of Lumina. In the garden of her heart, magic flourished. Love triumphed, reminding all that kindness can clear even the deepest shadows.